Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to change profile picture in Monopoly Go. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do when you open the application, you will see these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. So you will just have to tap on it. And here is our profile picture. So we're going to tap on it. As you can see, only the avatars are allowed, are the profile picture that is allowed to be used in here. We cannot use our, pictures that we want, our personal pictures, but there is another option by clicking on the Facebook icon. Okay, we are going to connect our Facebook account to our Monopoly Go account in order to change the profile picture of that. Okay, by clicking on the Facebook icon and then confirm and then choose your Facebook application. And then just wait for a few seconds. And then here, click on continue as your name. Okay, and then click on continue and then just wait for a few seconds and then try to exit the game and then remove it in your background apps and then try to opening the Monopoly game again. Okay, that's right. And then try to tap on the two horizontal lines again at the top right corner of your screen. And finally, when you tap on your profile picture, you can now see your Facebook profile picture and use it. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.